Hey guys, Jimmy here, aka Palette of Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Aeronautica Imperialis painting video. This time we're going to paint up that Imperial Navy Marauder Bomber, but before we jump into it I just want to say, if you like these videos, hit the like button and drop a comment down below. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. It's always very much appreciated. I don't take any of this for granted, and I do appreciate every single person that hits that like and drops a comment and everything like that, and hit subscribe. Now I suppose we should just jump into it. So of course we're painting all that Imperial Navy Marauder Bomber. It's very quick, very simple, and very much like the Thunderbolt fighter from before. So we've started off with a light grey primer base coat from spray paint from Wilco's. Dead cheap, dead easy to get hold of, works very well. Apart from painting metallic over the top of it, you might want to darken the colour first to get the right look. Now all I'm starting off with Cantor Blue, literally painting the entire aircraft in Cantor Blue. It works very well, and gets into all them recesses and cracks and everything like that pretty damn good. Then once all that is done and dry, you will look a bit patchy, so whack over a load of Drakenhof Nightshade. It goes into all them recesses. If you haven't got Drakenhof Nightshade but you've got Nuln Oil, use Nuln Oil, it'll work exactly the same. It'll go dark in the recesses and layer over quite nicely, and then layer back over with the original base colour, which was Cantor Blue in this case. So if you've used Incubi Darkness, use Incubi Darkness. If you've used a green, use the green. If you've, I don't know, wanting to do it bright pink, do it bright pink. It'll work exactly the same and it'll keep all them recesses darker, which is a main thing. Then, because that's very simple, paint the engines. This is done very easy. I used Ironbreaker over the entirety of the engine. It can be a little bit tricky, so in reality I probably should have done this in subsections and painted up section at a time, which probably would have been far easier in all honesty, mainly because I'm a perfectionist and I like to get in between all the nooks and crannies. And then you're going to want to add some different colours to break up all that silver, so I used Brass Scorpion to paint over certain parts of the engine covers and the muzzles of guns and a few extra little areas as well in a brass kind of colour. It works very well and it looks very nice. Then when all your metallic paint is dry, literally layer over Nuln Oil. Can't say any better, it works very well. It gives the metal a bit of a grimier look, and kind of differentiates it and makes it look a little bit older and a little bit more aged, a little bit more weather worn as well. And then you're going to want to add some extra little tips and bits and pieces to it. So I used a lighter blue, I used Decals blue and stuff like that on things like that back wing tip. It works very well. It kind of differentiates everything and keeps it all going. And then for those windows, because they're a pain in the ass, I use Ceramite White. It fills all them gaps. It works very well. You can use the Ceramite White, or you can use little bits like it, so you could use a light grey and then go over with white and lighten it up that way if you really wish to. I didn't, because I just wanted to get it done and out of the way and ready for play essentially. There are multiple windows on the Marauder, so make sure you hit all of those, all them little gun placements and everything like that. If you want to add some extra flourishes to the windows, Nilic Oxide will work very well. You'll just need to layer over white, use Nilic Oxide, then go back over with white in the main centre, leaving all the corners and the edges and stuff like that. Or you could use Apothecary White, which will work just as well. Other things that you might want to do is number the wings of your planes or something like that, so you can have a squad leader if you want to. And if you really can and you want to, use them water slide decals. If you painted it in a dark colour throughout the entire model and you've not painted a full wing or anything like that in a different colour, make sure you use white ones. If you've got a light wing or something like that, you can use the dark decals, which will work just as well. It is entirely up to you though. As per usual with all of these models, they are pretty much up to everybody's interpretation. If you're creating a new chapter of, say, like Space Marines or anything like that, it'll work very well.
So you could paint these in Blood Angels red if you wanted to, which work very well. Dark Angels green or something like that. However you really wish to, it all works well. Right then, that's it. Another short video. Very quick, simple tricks to do. Very easy way of doing things as well, which is always nice and can be really good for you to do little models that aren't going to take too much time and detail. And because it's a box game, I just want to get them done out there. Right, thank you very much for watching. As per usual, hit the like button, drop a comment, hit subscribe, all that good stuff. The Orc Fighter and Jet and Bombers will be coming very soon. I just haven't finished them yet. But with this, it will be one video showing how to do it, and you can interpret it onto both versions of the planes because they all look very similar and work in exactly the same way. Right, I will catch you very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.